but you see for my Instagram, it's I have a strong following on Instagram. So, you know, if I want to reach most of my fans, this would be the ideal place that I'll come to first, you know, because TikTok, I'm not really active on TikTok. I just start going on TikTok. Facebook, I don't really go over there like that. So this is like my only platform where I can interact with you guys the most, because, you know, a lot of you guys are here. But if me a post and you not see it now, what am I for do? My page is not there, guys, and it's ridiculous. Like, before I've experienced when you search the ishawna hashtag, it wasn't there. You wouldn't see anything from me. I've experienced that already, meaning they block my hashtag. When you click on ishawna, you don't see anything. I've experienced that, didn't give a shit. But the thing is, I always persevere. That's the thing. I do this with ease. I do this with little or no effort. You guys don't have my brain. That's a problem. That's the problem. You don't have my gift, and it's okay. It's okay. But it not gonna stop by something, right? No. So more all of my fans them know say them a try out of an artist. Them a try off her. Them a try break me. Them want me leave music. Them don't want me do music no more. No, you're not. The page doesn't exist, sweetheart. You're not seeing the real ishawna with the check. Look if you see the verified oh, by the way, guys, you don't do it inside of the Instagram app, okay? Don't do that, because if you're in the Instagram app, you're gonna see me. But let's say, for instance, right? Let's say, all right now the song I tear down the place, and somebody decide that don't know ishawna, they don't know who I am, right? Say, for instance, a new person don't know who I am, and they want to know who is this person that sing this song, and they go on Google. They're not gonna find they're not gonna find my page. Some just want to know, so them a try off on an artist. Them a try off a girl. It's been 3 years now. But now it gets to the extreme now, so I forget to involve. You understand? It ought to annoy. If you're not gonna go as far as to delete my... Honestly, I thought somebody did broke into my Instagram, you know, because how the issue that I was having today is I was sending, I wanted to whitelist my page with my label, you know, so that when we're posting the song, they don't mute it and stuff, like how I'm on live and stuff like that. And when I click on my link, I'm like, why does it say page doesn't exist? So me afraid no, I'm not get crazy now, so me start Google it, and Mrs. said it's a page not found. And then I sent it to a few of my friends, and I said, what do you see when you click this link? Because I thought it was something wrong with at first I thought my page was deleted. Then I thought it was something wrong with my phone, but everybody else, all of my friends, they're seeing it. So I wanted to bring it to your attention too, so you can also be aware of it. And that means that when I when I post, we don't have to reshare, I don't have to do this something them, because they never did ever stop that song, yeah. They never did ever stop that song, yeah. They never did ever stop. Remember, some my head different, you know, them can't study me, you know. You don't know where in my brain, you know, but you see 2023 a problem. Saddle up. Make sure not have no song them. Make sure not have no song them. That's all me I tell them. Make sure not have no song them. Cause no cute face and hot body can't save you, no. Make sure not have no song them. Anyway, guys, tell them follow it. Continue to support the song. Remember, it's on TikTok. It's doing crazy. Right now, it's just crazy. I'm really appreciate the support. Continue to share it, guys. Especially now, I'm bringing it to your attention about my page. So, you know, we have to, like, you know, if you're searching me and you find me, like if you're on your timeline and you see me, just go in your search bar and try find me on Instagram. Because sometimes you're not going to see me on your page. You're not going to see me on your feed. So you have to literally go and type in my name sometimes and keep up with me. All right, my babies, I love you. Stay tuned for everything that's coming for 2023. Remember, see a couple of years, well, no girl, not active enough. Problem. Yeah, so continue to share. Love you, love you, love you. I'm not gonna play the song again because, well, maybe I can play it, and if the page come off, then fine. If the live finish, then fine. Okay? What are you guys saying? I just want to tell you guys I love you. Love you, love you, love you. So type in low. Yeah, lowy. Lowy. Tell him for lowy. Tell him for lowy. That's what I was trying to say to you guys. I go MIA. Let me tell you, all right, let me tell you guys about me. One reason why I go MIA sometimes is because of my page issues that I was explaining before. I mean, picture this, like, picture this. I'm an artist and this is my medium. Remember before, I never have no team, you know? Remember before, I was an independent artist, which means I have to do everything on my own, meaning everything. Videos, like everything I've been doing was on my own, right? So imagine me being an independent artist, having to do all of that on my own, and then my social media is acting up. And then when me post something now, I get 2 likes. When me post something now, I get 2 likes, and 4 likes, and 5 comments. It makes you feel like, oh, I don't want to post, correct? So that was annoying me. And then for me, I was also in a zone where I was just recording. So that made me stronger, right? Because with that, me going on my box, I'm gonna say, all right, beat them with song. You get me? So I've just been working. When you see me MIA, you just know say I work, girl, I work. Girl is never not working. Girl is never not working. Girl is always writing. Girl is always recording. Right now, I have song for Stone Dog. Song for Stone Dog, a problem. Right? So, that's why I go MIA. It's not that I just missing. No, I'm still working. But then, I have to be prepared for what's happening. And see, as I drop one song, the first song, this is 2023. You know, remember, say from last year, I tell you, 2023, you know. The first song, this, you know, one alone, you know. And when you not Google me, you not find me. I never stayed so last week. Last week, everybody calm and nice. That's why I don't make no announcement when I do my thing, you know. Because I can't make nobody get prepared for when I do. So I post one song 3 days ago, all of a sudden, I'm missing. My Instagram missing. So anyway, guys, love you guys. Continue to support the movement. And kisses. Oh, let me just exit now with the song. And remember to share. Continue sharing on Instagram. Continue to share the song on TikTok. And continue to share it everywhere. Okay? Love you. Remember, nothing wrong with phone page. So, mega